Hi viewers, welcome to this video and today I will be teaching you how to create Google Forms. So just let's start. So first of all, open up your browser and after opening up your browser, you guys have to click on these three dots named as Google Apps and just scroll down and search for forums and click on it. So after clicking up on forums, you guys just can select anything from here, just like I'm selecting contact information. And after selecting up contact information, you guys can set it up according to you. Just like you guys can add a big heading here, you guys can add a description, you guys can add names, any type of text, videos, pictures, screenshots, sections, and you guys can easily create Google Form from here. And that's how you guys can easily create Google Form. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.